Meaning of inexpensive.
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 Inexpensive. The word inexpensive refers to something that does not cost a lot of money, or is available at a low price. It is a term used to describe products, services, or experiences that are affordable, economical, budget-friendly, or cheap. The quality of inexpensive items can vary, but they are generally seen as a good value for the price paid. The term inexpensive contrasts with expensive, which signifies high prices or luxury. Inexpensive products can be a great way to save money, make wise purchasing decisions, or access basic necessities without breaking the bank.